If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you. Or
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. It's me, Joyce, or Michelle. So I'm coming to you. It's around 8:49 p.m. Still January 1st. We made it. Bless God. So this video is just about washing your makeup brushes. Um, as a former makeup artist, one thing that I cannot deal with are dirty brushes. And I got a ton of them over here on the floor. Brushes, sponges, the little powder puffs, anything that you put on your face, I would say needs to be cleaned, especially if you want to keep a clean face, minimal breakouts, keep your breakouts to a minimum. Y'all see my hat. Um, so one thing I'm gonna tell you about that you don't have to spend a lot of money on is brush cleanser. When I first started doing makeup, first started out in makeup in 2008, I would buy the MAC brush cleaner, would go through it real quick. Then I think I bought some brush cleaner from Sephora, went through it real quick. So I stopped doing it. So now what I do, I've used black soap before to cleanse my brushes. That was good if you have it, plentiful, because washing brushes takes a lot of soap. So this right here, clarifying shampoo is your best bet. It's your cheapest bet. I think I got this for $2. But clarifying shampoo would be the way that I would go. The cheapest route, the most effective route, the best route to me. So that's why I do it. So I'm gonna take you in my bathroom and wash my brushes. One thing I want to tell y'all, please go get you a brush tree. I went. I just dropped some. I went through a lot of brushes because I would lay my brushes down and water would get in the ferrule. And let me show you what I mean by ferrule. This is your ferrule of the brush. And when you lay brushes down, it tends to loosen the glue that they have inside. I think I got a couple of brushes with loose ferrules. This was one, but I put nail glue in there, so it's holding. But go on Shein. I will link it. I be trying to remember to link things, but y'all don't ever remind me. Engagement. I need y'all to talk to me down in the comments. But go get you a brush tree. I think this one was probably like $5. You just put it together and all your brushes, pull your brushes down. I will stick it up like this. Oh wow, okay. Stick your brushes in like this and let your brushes dry down. That way you don't mess up your brushes and the ferrule loosening on you. So we're going to be using this shampoo, Daily Clarifying. Once I finish washing my brushes, I will put them in the brush tree. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it fast. I'm going to speed the brush washing process up because I'm listening to Bible study here with the Potter's House, trying to get the word in as much as I can. And yeah, follow me to the bathroom. All right, so I'm in the bathroom now, and first thing I would tell you is to clean your sink. Wash your sink out because your brushes are going in the sink. You know, you brush your teeth and things and such. So clean out your sink, okay? Clean it out. This right here is a little puff. It comes in a little tin can, and all you do is when if you're not ready to clean your brushes yet, you just rub it on here, and it actually will get the, it'll get the eyeshadow off your brush. So I wash this as well. Okay, and I almost forgot. So this right here says Sonia Kashuk. I think I got this from like you can get it from Target, or you can get one like these from like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. It's easy to find them. I usually use this end for the big brushes and use this end for those small brushes.
If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call.
Yes, I rinse my brushes first, just to, if you saw me rinse this one, it, some of the makeup comes out before, so I'm doing it to the, sponges as well. I rinse first, and then I clean. You know, you don't want to work against yourself when you're cleaning your brushes and stuff like that. So I just give them a good rinse first. Just try and break up some of the dirt in there. So I do it with the sponges as well.
If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you, or some other lie to boost your ego up. So you come here running, but your head in all the wrong directions, and please me like when we were together, and you said you never leave. It's real until we realize our love is just a daydream. It's real until we realize we're stuck in the clouds on a horse of wings and silly things. When will we wake up? When will we wake
All right, so as you can see, I got the brush tree up with my brushes in them. I laid down a paper towel so my sponges and my little powder puffs can dry. I'm probably gonna put my little other thing down here at the bottom on there. But yeah, that's how I wash my brushes. Again, you can always get a clarifying shampoo. Um, with some of the brushes, you could see that I had to wash and put a little elbow grease in them so that they can actually get clean. Sometimes they are clean and you may still see discoloration, and that's because foundation and things like that do stain. But I know my brushes are clean because I don't have breakouts. I probably have to wash my brushes. I use my brushes no more than twice. um I will get 2 uses out of them. If I'm pushing it, 3. And 3, by the third time I get some use out of them, I'm disgusted with myself and I'm like, okay, it's time to wash brushes, honey. So please don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click your post notification bell twice for all uploads so you'll be notified of community wall posts. You'll be notified of videos or even when I go live. Let me check and see how many subscribers we're at. Y'all have really been subscribing, and I really do want to thank you all for that. So right now we're at 886 subscribers. Thank you so much. But I really do need you all to um, give me some more engagement as far as commenting. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. I think I was told that there was. Ooh, I just had a thought. That's okay. I just sorry about that. Um, I also just heard that TikTok is going to still be on and popping here in America. So follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. I really need to do some work on Instagram. I don't know exactly what I want to post over there yet. So I'm trying to make a decision if I want to post like workout stuff with me starting to lose weight. Um, that could be a great idea. I just gave myself the best idea. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Click the post notification bell twice or all. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Give me some comments. Engage with me. Engage with me. Trying to think of anything else. Hey, if you all didn't know, I have a playlist, and I'm going to ask you all to run my playlist at night while you sleeping. You can turn the videos down, but run the playlist so we can get some watch time hours. We're getting ready to hit 1,000 probably in a day or two, and you know that's one of the things for monetization. But we also want to get the watch time hours. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna have to go make sure I put things in the description box. The playlist will be in the description box. Oh yes, we gotta do it. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe and happy new year. Oh, and let me ask y'all a question. Now on my old beauty channel, I call my people the Beauties and Bows. I don't want to call y'all that. I want y'all to help me come up with a name. So, and this will also help engagement. Let me know down in the comment section what do you all want to be called? And don't forget, soon I got to start working on that. We will have memberships on this channel. So I got to have membership content too. But yeah, don't forget you can join the memberships that will be available to you no later than Sunday. What's today's? Today is Wednesday. No later than Sunday. But I also need to know what y'all want me to call y'all so I can do the memberships based on what your name is. Okay? I think that's all. Don't forget also, I gotta make sure I'll put the link tree in the description box from Shein. Yeah. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Happy New Year.